doing the question from CSIR Net June 2019. The question is from part B and therefore is of 3 marks. Question is, let f from R to R be continuous and 1 function. So we have been given that f is a function from R to R which is continuous and 1 also. Now we have to determine which is true. So first option is f is onto. Second option is f is either strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. Third option is there exists x belongs to R such that f of x is equal to 1. And last option is f is unbounded. So f is continuous and 1 function, and f is a function from R to R. Now what is meant by a function being 1 graphically? So let f be again a function from R to R. Then if f is 1, the graph of f intersects any line parallel to x-axis in at most 1 point. So if this is the function we have, for this the function need not to be continuous. Even if it is not a continuous function, this theorem will be holding true. So let f be a function from R to R. If f is 1, the graph of f intersects any line parallel to x-axis in at most 1 point. So any line parallel to x-axis, let me draw a line parallel to x-axis, say this one. So this is, say, line y is equals to k. Then this line y is equals to k is not intersecting at all to the function f. And any other line if we take, say y is equals to L here, then it is intersecting at only 1 point. And whichever line parallel to x-axis therefore we will take, either it will be intersecting the graph at 1 point or it will be not intersecting the graph at any point. So basically any line parallel to x-axis is intersecting the graph f at most 1 point. Therefore this function is a 1 function. On the other hand, if we consider a function say like this, then any line when we draw parallel to x-axis, there is a chance that it will be intersecting the graph at more than 1 point, and therefore the function cannot be 1. For example, if we draw any line, say y is equals to k here, then clearly it is intersecting at only 1 point. Here also if we will draw any line y is equals to k, it is intersecting at only 1 point. But on drawing any line here, say y is equals to m, we can see that it is intersecting the graph at 3 points. So the function is not a 1 function. So this is not a 1 function. Now consider this graph. If we consider this graph, it is clearly seen that any line y is equals to k here will be intersecting the graph once, and any line y is equals to m here will not be intersecting the graph of f at all. So basically any line parallel to x-axis we draw, either the line will be intersecting the function or it will be not intersecting the function, and therefore this is a 1 function. So this is what we mean by a function to be 1 graphically. Similarly, when we say that the function is onto on graphic, onto, what is it meant graphically? So here also let f be a function from R to R. If f is onto, the graph of f intersects every line parallel to x-axis. So if the function will be onto, then while observing the graph, whenever we will draw any line parallel to x-axis, that line will be definitely intersecting the function. They are not saying whether it will be intersecting once, twice, thrice, but it will be definitely intersecting. So we can say that the line y is equals to k, any line y is equals to k should intersect the function f at least once. So if we consider the functions which we drew, clearly this function is not an onto function because this line y is equals to k is not intersecting the graph at all. So it is 1, 1 but not onto. If we consider this function, clearly any line parallel to x-axis we draw, it will be definitely intersecting to the graph, either at 1 point or at 3 points. And even at 2 points it is possible, drawing any line like this. So it is intersecting and therefore it is onto, but it was not 1, 1. And this function, if we consider any line parallel to x-axis if we draw, we can see that it is not always necessary that the line will be intersecting the graph, and therefore this is not an onto function. But consider the graph of y is equals to x or any linear function. Then any line parallel to x-axis we draw anywhere, that line will be definitely intersecting and it will be intersecting only once. So therefore this function is a 1, 1 and onto function. Alright, so this is how we can understand the function is 1, 1 or onto graphically. Now let us see which option can be true. So first option is f is onto. So let f be a function from R to R which is continuous and 1, 1. Consider f of x is equal to e raised to x. Clearly the function f is a function from R to R. It is a continuous function and it is 1, 1 also. The graph of e raised to x is something like this. This is 1. So this is how the graph of e raised to x looks like. Now it is 1, 1 because any line parallel to x-axis we will draw, either it will be intersecting the graph or it will be not intersecting the graph at all. Alright, so at most 1 point only is there at which the line can intersect to the graph. But consider any line y is equals to k here. It is not intersecting the graph at all. But for a function to be onto, every line parallel to x-axis should intersect the graph. So this function is not onto. And therefore we have obtained an example where the function need not to be onto. So first option cannot be true. Now let us look at the third option first and check whether third option is true or not. So third option is there exists x belongs to R such that f of x is equal to 1. So here it is saying that if f from R to R is continuous and 1, 1, then definitely there should exist an x belongs to R such that f of x is equal to 1. So whether this is true? So for this, here we considered e raised to x. Now consider e raised to x plus 1. If we consider e raised to x plus 1, then this is the graph we have. And now drawing any line parallel to x-axis, we can see that this function is 1, 1. It is not onto, and whether there exists any x belongs to R such that f of x is equals to 1. So clearly no, there do not exist any x belongs to R such that f of x is equal to 1. Alright, so therefore option 3 is also not true. Option 3 is wrong. Now option 4 is f is unbounded. So to determine whether the function is whether every continuous 1 function from R to R is bounded or not. Consider f of x is equal to tan inverse x. The graph of y is equals to tan inverse x is like this. This is pi by 2 and this is minus pi by 2. Clearly, this is a bounded function. It is a continuous function and it is a 1 function also, because any line parallel to x-axis we draw, it will be intersecting the graph at most once. So, option 4 cannot be true, and therefore we are left with only one option, which is option number 2. Hence the function is either strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. And as you can see, whichever graph we drew, it was strictly increasing or for strictly decreasing. Consider e raised to minus x. It is a strictly decreasing function. So we will either have a strictly increasing function or a strictly decreasing function. So option 2 is the correct answer. Thank you.